Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anaga Adke and today I will be discussing on the topic types of tokens in compiler design subject. So, what are the tokens in C? Tokens in C are the smallest units or building blocks of C program. Every element of the code, like variables, functions, or symbols, is composed of tokens. These includes keywords, identifiers, constants, operators, and special symbols. Each token has a specific role in defining the structure and function of the program. Understanding how tokens are essential to writing and understanding C programs. So, the types of tokens in C programming languages are here I have provided a detailed description of token type. So, first one is keyword, reserved words with predefined meanings, example int, return, etc. Keywords in C are reserved words that have special meanings and cannot be used as variable names, functions, or identifiers. These words are predefined by the language and help define the structure of the code. There are total 32 keywords in the C language. Um, So next type is identifiers, names used for variables, functions and arrays. For example, x or sum. There are some rules for naming identifiers, such as it must start with a letter or underscore. Second one, only contain letters, digits and underscores. Cannot use reserved keywords such as int, return, which means we cannot use the reserved words while defining the identifiers. These are case sensitive and does not have special characters or spaces is also allowed. And the third is constants. Constants are fixed values that do not change, like numbers or pi value, etc. Con- uh, they are used to store data that remains the same throughout the program. Types of constants can be integer constants, floating point constants, character constants, string constants. Next type of token type is operator. Um, Operators in C are the symbols that perform operations on the variables and values. They allow you to manipulate the data and perform calculations. With the help of operators, we can perform any type of arithmetic calculation. Types of operators can be arithmetic operator, which includes addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. And relational operators such as equal to, not equal to, greater than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and logical operators and bitwise operator, and many more. There are many operators in C languages. The next type is string. Strings are a sequence of characters enclosed in quotes. For example, double quote hello and closing double quote. And the last and best is the special symbols. Special symbols are used to define structure. For example, curly braces, square brackets, semicolon. Special symbols in C are the characters that have specific meanings and play important roles in structuring and controlling the flow of a program. There are various special symbols such as brackets, parentheses, braces, comma, colon, semicolon, colon, asterisk, assignment operator means equal to operator, preprocessor, period, tile, etc. These were the types of tokens, and so you might have question that why these tokens are important. So it is important for basic building blocks. Tokens from the foundation of any C program, as every element of the code is a token. Second point, defines the structure. Tokens like keywords, operators, and symbols define the logical structure of a program. Third point, compiler understanding. The compiler reads and interprets tokens to execute the code correctly. It ensures the program logic. Proper use of tokens helps maintain the program's logic and the flow. And the last point is facilitates the readability. Uh, well structured tokens improve the code clarity and make it easier to understand and debug. These were the importance of the tokens in the C programming language. Thank you.